Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to access new calling card feature in the latest Google Dialer application. Recently update Google to latest new dialer application on your phone. Now it will added the new calling card feature that will helpful when you receive any phone call. So let's see how to access this new calling card feature or set your photo to the calling card. So two different way to set the calling card feature or calling card photos on your Google Dialer application. So first of all, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the phone app. Now tap on the three horizontal line at the top left corner. Here you can see the contact or setting option. So first tap on the settings on your device. Now scroll down at the bottom. You can see the calling card option. Tap on it. Here you can see the customize how you see your contact when they call you. So whenever someone call you, you can see the photo you set on a device. Let's tap on the add button. Now select the contact you want to add calling card feature. So here we select this contact. Now here you can select the camera, gallery, Google Photos you want to set. So here we select the gallery option on my phone. Now scroll down and select the any photo. Like here we select this photo on my phone. Now here you can also see change the font style like this you want to set on your device. So here we set this font, also change the font color. So you can easily customize this calling card feature like wallpaper is called font style, name font style or name font. So quite easy to customize it. Tap on a down option at the top right corner. Now you can see calling card save. So whenever call you this contact number, it will automatically you can see this calling card photo on your device. So this is the new feature. You can also access directly by going to open just phone app on your device. Tap on a three horizontal line. Tap on a contacts, and here you need to tap on a contact. Now tap on a pencil icon at the top, and here you can see the picture and a calling card option. Just tap on it to add the calling card photos or calling card, use the calling card feature on your device. To remove it, just tap on the remove. To remove the calling card, deleting this calling card can't be undone. Tap on confirm and tap on save to delete this calling card feature. So this is the new amazing new calling card feature in the Google Dialer app you can use. So easily identify who call you without show the display. That's it. Like it, share it. If you like it, please hype it.